Hello, I'm back. I had to flip my fish sticks. They getting about done. I wanted them crispy on both sides. I bought this wheel to go onto this trailer here so I could roll it around. My intentions were to be able to roll it back there so I didn't have to do all that wheelbarrow and stuff. But this trailer's too wide. I'm gonna have to measure to see if the other trailer will fit. Like I said, I do not like using this trailer. I've got another little trailer, and I've got a trailer that's the back of one of those small Dodge Ram trucks. I know it's Dodge Ram, but it's the small version, kind of like the Nissans and the Toyotas. But I've got one of those that I use to hook to the tractor and go down in the woods. It's kind of embarrassing for some people when we're going down the road and they see people they know, and I got that old pickup truck bed I built into a trailer. It don't bother me, but some people it does. But anyway, I'm gonna set it on here, even though we can't do what I had intended on. Maybe it'll help me if I need to roll it around or something like that. And before I get into it, here's a little mechanism I come up with. I took the handle off, and I took an old socket that was messed up, and I put the socket over it. I kind of done the measure and marked my hole, and then well, it looks like I messed up the threads on that little bolt. There it is. But anyway, I marked the holes and drilled the hole in the socket, and then I put the piece on the end of my Milwaukee, and then I just run it up and down. And also, in case I never have the Milwaukee with me, I've got the handle that I took the bolt out, and I had a what I call a knuckle buster that had broke. So I took it apart and bolted it to the handle, so that if I have to, I can stick the handle in it and run it down. Or if I've got I normally keep my breaker bar in the truck. I just put the breaker bar in there and run it. You know, it's a little bit longer if you get a heavy load on it, but that's what I did. And of course, my dummy butt didn't make a video on it. But like I said, that's my fault. That was when I was kind of down and wasn't doing what I was supposed to be doing. But anyway, I'm gonna take this foot off. I think it's a 14 millimeter. I'll take the socket and the wrench, righty tighty, loosey goosey. I should have got the other piece for the Milwaukee, and I could have just pulled the trigger, but I didn't really notice it was a nylon nut. Give me just a minute, I'll be back with you. That's Randy calling me. All right, I'm back. That was Randy telling me he was on his way home from Tennessee. Got about a 5-hour trip. Wasn't sounding too good, so he's not feeling the best after being sick, being up, throwing up all night last night. But he's on his way back, so I told him I was going to finish up this video and do a little bit here, make sure the tractor's fixed, and then I'm about ready to start editing on it, maybe finish this up a little early and not be here so late because I do have to work tomorrow. But anyway, let's get back to it. I'm about to get this thing loose. Okay. I might do, this one comes with a pin to pin it off. I don't know exactly. I mean, I like that, but I may put the bolt back in it and save this pin for something else, because those come in handy. And I don't plan on taking it back off once I get it on. And that was Steven, my middle boy, called, texted me, let me know he's heading home, I guess. He was watching Randy's house while they were on holiday. Letting the dogs out and everything, taking care of everything there. Alright, that's a little bit floppy. I don't know. I may, sometime when I got a little bit of time, I may take it back off and see if I can maybe make a sleeve or something to keep it from being so wobbly. But anyway, let's see how this works. Sorry about the noise. Yeah, that'll be all right. Well, I know that that wasn't on the agenda, but I got something else accomplished. Like I said, again, it's a never done project because the trailer came from Tractor Supply. The wheel came from Tractor Supply, but they don't, like I said, it was kind of wobbly. They don't fit snug. So I may do something different, but not today. So anyway, like I said, I'm gonna get this out of here, and my fish sticks ought to about be ready, and it's getting about dark. So I'm probably gonna jump over here on the tractor in just a minute and see if it's fired up and see if it's gonna work right. So anyway, thank you.
Wow, really?